Hi friends, we are so happy that you are with us today, and right now we will talk more about the location mode we can add to our posts, stories, reels, etc. on Instagram account. So let's go to the watching. I just need to open our Insta. Right now we are on the profile page, so let's tap on the plus icon at the top to create a new reel. As an example, it will be the first one. Right now I will talk only about the location mode I can add. So I will add some picture from my gallery app as an example to create a new reel. Later I just need to tap on the next 2 times, and later swipe the appearance settings down to pick on the add location mode. After tapping on the search bar here, I can add some needful for me location, and I want to set New York. Okay, so let's tap on the New York. Okay, New York City. Well done, our needful location is added. Let's tap on the share option to save it and wait a minute before the posting and refreshing my profile page. This is my newly created reel. I know that we have the same image here, but it's not important right now because I just need to show you the location mode which I have added. As you can check, we have this needful inscription below. So it was the settings about the reels, and what about stories and posts? Let's tap on the plus icon too, and right now I just need to pick on the post option here. Let's set as an example this image. Later tap next. We have the same feature as location. We have our, as an example, saved location, which we have used before, but I want to save a new one. The same, New York. Okay, to save it, let's tap on the share option and wait a minute before the new post. Okay, refresh, and well done. We have the needful tag here, upper, so New York. Let's tap on it one time to check the result. Amazing. So as you can check, we have our location, it's successfully saved, everything is okay. But what to do with the stories? Let's tap on the same plus icon because I like it and go to the stories. Okay, I said that I like it because we have a lot of different ways to add a new stories creation, and it was one of them. So let's set as an example this image as the stories. As a new story, and to set a new location we have 2 different ways. The first one is by going to the text mode, and after we have this location point. But another way also is to go to the sticker feature, and we have the needful sticker here on the list too. Let's tap on the needful mode, and tapping on the search bar also we need to set the needful place. New York, as before. Don't forget that on this stories mode you are able to manage the stories appearance, so you can, as an example, correct its color and make it rainbow as an example. Also rotate it to the needful site, and also correct its location. So let's save it in this way. To post our new story, let's tap on the white K at the bottom and share, and done. Well done. Let's refresh our page and tap on the stories here. After clicking on the sticker, we can go to the see location page to check the result again. Don't forget that you can also use the current your location after tapping on the, I will show you also. Okay, so let's go to the same sticker here, see location, and after going to your own location we can only tap on the icon at the top to find our needful location here. So it's really very convenient that you can use your current location or set one you like from the whole world we have the whole maps here, so it's not really a problem. And guys, don't forget about likes. I hope that such a video was useful and interesting, and don't forget also to stay with us to find out more cool tricks about other applications which we will share here on our channel, not only about the Instagram but a lot of other social media. And have a nice day. Good luck.